You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned and learn more pronunciations. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. Equinox is more of the British English pronunciation, used more in the UK and other English-speaking countries. Equinox, a solar equinox or moon equinox, or equinox, right? That's more US pronunciation. So two pronunciations in English and they're both correct. Equinox, if you've been saying that, that's fine. Or equinox, it's also correct. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.